Welcome to the Law of Attraction in Action. Hi, this is Jennifer Sada, and in this series, I'm going to be sharing with you daily practical tips on how to manifest what you want in life, on how to raise your vibration, and how to become a master deliberate creator. Hi, this is Jen again, and I am back with a little secret for you. Okay, it just occurred to me that you are in some really, really good stuff. Okay, this is why this is so good. This is why you can't go wrong, and this is why you already are doing what you're supposed to be doing. Number one, why this is working in your advantage. Number one, you know about the law of attraction. You do know about the law of attraction, right? Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching this video, or maybe you heard about it, you want to learn more about it, and that is why you are here, which is not a coincidence, by the way. I don't believe in coincidence. You're watching this for a reason. Number one, you know about the law of attraction. Do you know how many people know about the law of attraction? Actually, how many people don't know about the law of attraction? They're not aware of it. They don't even know it exists. They don't even, never heard of it, or if they hear about it, they don't understand. Doesn't make sense. But you do. So that is advantage number one. Number two, you know how to make it work in your favor, or if not, you're learning how to make it work in your favor, because it's going to be in effect no matter what, whether you believe it or not. It's going to work one way or the other. So you might as well use that in your advantage and become good at becoming a master deliberate creator. And that is not difficult, because this is what you're doing right now by watching videos like this on a daily basis. All you need is maybe 2-3 minutes and raise your vibration. Watch video number one, where I teach you about the 17 seconds trick. Okay, sometimes that's all it takes, 17 seconds. So you know how to make it work for you. And number three, you can't go wrong. Okay, just the fact that you know about it, that you know it can work for you, everything else can only work in your advantage, because the odds are stacked in your favor. The odds are in your favor. So really, there are going to be, even if there are days when you're feeling down, you're feeling low, and you're not in the flow, you can always start again. Okay, every day is a new slate where you start new, and all you have to do is keep yourself in this knowing that you are in control, you are in charge, and everything can change overnight, or over day, within the day. You are your own master deliberate creator. This is so exciting. I am so excited for you. Please remember this daily. You are already doing what you're supposed to be doing. This is working. This is in action. Even on the bad days, even when you're feeling low, it is always happening. It's positive. It's positive. It's positive. I'm lost for words. Remember those two things. Okay, you are aware of it, and you know how to make it work. I will see you in the next video for more tips and tricks on how to manifest things that you want in your life, how to raise your vibration, and how to become a master deliberate creator. Jennifer Sada, I will see you in the next one.